Hi TK. Today we are going to start with our warm-up. Waddle like a penguin. So feet together, chest out, arms back, and get ready to waddle like a penguin.
If you stand up real tall and puff out but not in, arms back and legs straight, now waddle like a penguin. You waddle, you waddle, you waddle like a penguin. Side to side and round, you waddle like a penguin. You stand up real tall and puff out but not in, arms back and legs straight, now waddle like a penguin.
Keep your legs together.
You waddle, you waddle, you waddle like a penguin. Side to side and round, you waddle like a penguin.
All right, great job. Today we are going to be rolling for distance. Now, rolling for distance means how far you can roll a ball. So some of you might not have very much room, and that is fine. Next, we are going to use either sock balls or we are going to crumple up pieces of paper because we want it to be really, really soft. We don't want to accidentally hit something. So you need to be super safe. You need to make sure you have lots of room, and you need to keep control of your body. Now, when I am talking about rolling, if you remember, we are square to our target or facing our target. Our arms swing straight back and straight through. We also step with our opposite foot. So if I am throwing with this hand, I am going to step with this hand. And in our head, we say swing and step. So I'm going to get my paper balls. And I am going to practice with one of my paper balls, but I'm not going to let it go. All right, it's called shadowing. Swing and step. So if you remember, my foot has to go right at my target. My ball or my hand needs to go straight to my target. When I'm rolling, you need to make sure that you bend your legs so the ball stays on the ground. And last but not least, and the most important, your eyes need to be on the target. So my eyes are watching what I'm throwing at. Now, last thing. You either need to side slide, leap, jump, or hop to go pick up your balls. So we're going to review those really quickly. Side sliding is step together with your toes pointing forward. Leaping is taking off on one foot and landing on one foot. Or you need to hop, hopping is 1 foot, or you need to jump, jumping is 2 feet. So I'm going to do a model for you. I'm going to show you what to do so you could just watch me. And then I'm going to play music, and you can practice for 5 minutes, okay? So I have my paper balls. I'm going to roll for distance, so I'm going to see how far I can roll. So I'm staring at my target, swing and step. Ooh, I rolled it pretty far. Staring at my target, swing and step. Ooh, I rolled that one even farther. Staring at my target, swing and step. Staring at my target, swing and step. Notice I'm bending my knees and my ball is rolling. I'm not just pitching it or throwing it in the air. It's rolling. Feet together, swing and step. And now I am going to leap to go pick up my balls. All right, I have them, and I might hop back to get the balls. So I want you to practice. Remember, eyes on your target, swing, step with your opposite foot, bend your knees so the ball rolls on the ground. All right, I'm going to play music for 5 minutes. So you go ahead and you practice while the music is playing. When the music stops, set your balls down and come back and we will do our cool down. All right, welcome back. I hope you had fun rolling underhand. I hope you could roll a super long way. Make sure when we're done here you clean up all your mess so there aren't paper balls or sock balls all over the place. Get ready for knees up, Mother Brown.
There came a girl from France who didn't know how to dance. The only thing that she could do was knees up, Mother Brown. Oh, knees up, Mother Brown. Knees up, Mother Brown. Knees up, never let the bees up, Mother Brown. Oh, hopping on one foot, hopping on one foot, hopping, never stopping, hopping on one foot. Oh, knees up, Mother Brown.
Use your arms.
Knees up, Mother Brown. Knees up, never let the bees up, Mother Brown.
Hop on your other foot.
On the other, hopping on the other, hopping, never stopping, hopping on the other, and whirling round and round, whirling round and round, whirling, never twirling, whirling round and round. There came a girl from France who didn't know how to dance. The only thing that she could do was knees up, Mother Brown. Hey!
All right, TK, you have a great day.